Hi everyone, this is R&B and welcome to my channel. So in this video we're gonna unbox my first e-bike, and yeah, which is P9 G60, as you can see behind me. So let's begin the video. Let's cut. Here's how it looks when you open the box from the top. So the bike is well protected, as you can see. Let's remove this. And यसमा चाहिँ अलिक गरौँको छ, यो चाहिँ अलिक गरौँको छ, सायद यसमा चाहिँ अलिक इक्विपमेन्टहरु होला. Let's put this aside. And let's take it out. And also let's take it out. Then the seat and dummy eraser. Yes. Okay. Sorry. Oh my god, it's heavy. Okay. Shit. Okay. Okay, one more to go. So here it's a bike. Let's assemble the bike. So here is our toolbox. Pedals. Okay, toolkit. What else? Another pedal. I need chabi. Yeah, to break this brake. What else? The manual for the bike, how to assemble. I didn't do it. And that was the battery. The charger for the battery. So here's the look. So पहिला हामी के गर्छौं भने यसको सबै पार्टहरु सबै निकाल्नु पर्यो. Let's go shit. Okay, let's cut this out. So it's a pump. Okay, there's our another fender. It's an अगाडिको fender रहेछ. पछाडि चाहिँ यस्तै यसै अगाडिको. अब पहिला त यो काट्नु पर्यो. Let's remove everything from this bike. Okay. यो पनि काट्नु पर्यो. So here's our handle. So यो चाहिँ sorry. Okay. Let's see at the Zanzibar. So for this one, I need to unscrew this, then screw back in, and it will be like this. I'll show you just some. So the screw. So the screw gonna lie same side. I think this one will be better. Okay. Unscrew this. So then what she really just 100%. Okay. Okay, now it's time for the tire. So I just flipped the bike to put on this tire. So what I did is just I put this tire right here like this. Now I just need to put these on, and yeah. So let's put on this thing. Okay, now I'm gonna flip the bike again upside down. It's very heavy because it's like this, almost 38 kg. So it's heavy bike. Okay. Now it's time for the fenders. Fenders on. Fenders. Screw this one. Okay. this. Now we'll on the pedals. For that I need to cut it again. So where's the scissor? Okay, I need to find a scissor. Let's get it out. Okay, it's done. It's pretty easy. See me. This wrench is too small. Can you keep ascend me? It's a little smaller than usually need to be. Okay, so. Now the next part. Finally, the battery, the main part of this bike. It's a 15 ampere battery. Now look at this beauty. Wow. The bike is overall like 1000 watt. Finally, let's put some pressure on the bike. Here. What happens when you don't have support? So bike is finally done. As you can see, it's ready. I'll just show you. Turn on the battery. You can see. And this is the jet. And let's turn on the indicator. And you can see right here the beautiful indicator. Let's check to the right, and yes, it works. Okay, and let's turn on the headlight. Yep, works. It's a cool bike actually. I loved it, but only issue I have here with this bike is the stand. It's not really steady, so I just need to fix the stand. And yeah, okay, I need to fix the stand. Yeah, this is the bike. right here. This you can see here. You can charge it with this USB cable, or you can just directly charge it from this side, or you can take it out the battery and charge it at this station. And yeah, this is it. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to the channel and like and share. Peace out.